So we're going to be taking a look at the Kenmore Elite Model 31150 upright vacuum cleaner. This is the same machine as the BU1017 and BU1018, with the only difference being the color. As you can probably see from all the scratches on it, I did get this used, but I did go through it and it is working as intended. The height adjustment is a very nice feature, and it allows you to adjust to almost any carpet type. This has what Kenmore calls the inducer motor, which is a normal motor with a fancy fan on the front of it. Believe it or not, it actually does work very well. There's a dirt sensor on it which actually does show when dirt enters the machine. This has a direct drive brush roller with two motors, one in each end. The benefit of this is that there are no belts to replace. There is an overload protector in case something gets caught in the roller. The switch is conveniently on the handle. This vacuum cleaner uses modern HEPA cloth bags, which are very nice to use. There is also a sealed HEPA filter on the exhaust. There is an onboard stretch hose with a suction release built into it. The combo tool works for dusting and cleaning upholstery. There is an onboard turbo tool to help clean any soft surface. Last but not least, there's a telescoping wand and a crevice tool on the side of the unit. This does very well on carpet, but as you can see, it can trap short hair under the guards for the brush roller. Due to the high airflow, the edge cleaning is great on both sides. It does pretty well on hard floors, but does struggle with small, heavier debris such as flour, because there is no brush on the ground. The turbo tool does well for stairs, but you run out of hose very quickly. The turbo tool also works well for upholstery, but the issue with the hose is still there. The dusting brush works, but it's nothing absolutely special. Again, there's a recurring theme with the hose. Due to the power of the machine, the stretch hose does not like to stretch. The reach with the hose is advertised to be 10 feet, but looking at it honestly, it's more like 5 feet. Kenmore used to sell an extension hose for their much older models, which would be a nice option to see with this one. General maintenance is very easy. The bag simply pulls out of the chamber, and a new one presses in its place. There is a pre-motor filter, which is there to protect the motor in case anything happens to the bag. They do still sell paper bags for this, but I would highly recommend the cloth ones. Replacing the HEPA filter is easy as well. Simply remove the old one and place a new one in its place. With all the negatives out of the way, I can say the cleaning performance, filtration, and maneuverability of this are actually quite great. That makes this a great deal, because the cost is right around $300, and occasionally goes on sale for even less. Overall, if you have a lot of carpet and not a lot of above floor cleaning, or maybe a canister perhaps, I highly recommend this vacuum cleaner.